Hello and welcome to Master Intuitive Think, where we delve into the latest advancements in technology and the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating potential of AI and its impact on our lives in the years to come. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the ability of computers and machines to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. From natural language processing and image recognition to decision-making and even the ability to learn and improve over time, the potential applications of AI are vast and far-reaching. Let's start with some impressive numbers. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, AI is expected to contribute up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. That's a staggering figure, and it highlights just how much impact AI will have on our lives in the years to come. But what exactly is AI capable of? Well, for starters, AI is already being used in healthcare to help diagnose diseases and develop personalized treatment plans. By analyzing vast amounts of medical data and identifying patterns, AI systems are able to make more informed decisions about our health, potentially saving lives and improving outcomes. In the customer service sector, AI-powered chatbots are revolutionizing the way companies interact with their customers. By providing instant assistance and answering common questions, AI chatbots are freeing up human customer service agents to handle more complex issues. This not only improves the customer experience, but it also helps companies to reduce costs and improve efficiency. But AI's impact isn't limited to healthcare and customer service. In the future, we're likely to see AI playing a role in everything from transportation to entertainment. For example, self-driving cars powered by AI will make our roads safer and reduce the number of accidents caused by human error. In fact, it's estimated that autonomous vehicles could reduce road accidents by up to 90%. And in the entertainment industry, AI has the potential to create highly personalized and immersive experiences that will change the way we interact with media. Imagine being able to control your own virtual world, where every action and decision you make shapes your experience. That's the kind of world that AI could help create. Of course, there are also concerns about the impact of AI on society. Some experts worry that AI may eventually replace human workers, leading to widespread unemployment. Others are concerned about the ethical implications of AI, such as the development of autonomous weapons or the use of AI to make decisions that have a significant impact on people's lives. But despite these concerns, the future of AI is bright and full of potential. In the coming years, we're likely to see significant advancements in the field, including the development of more advanced AI systems that can perform tasks that were once thought to be uniquely human. So, what does the future hold for AI? Only time will tell, but one thing is for certain, it's an exciting time to be in the world of technology, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. Thank you for watching Master Intuitive Think. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content on the future of technology and AI.